Hey everybody, it's Beastie the Basic. Nah, it's probably just Beastie the Basic. Yep, that's what's. Yep, Beastie the Basic. Yep, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a Samsung. Now, I'm not sponsored by Samsung in any way, but yep. I have a pig right beside me, so it's gonna be say hi. I don't think you see him. He's a boar slash poly. I don't know what the fuck he is. Anyway, we're gonna fix this, and it's gonna be hard. I already know. Fuck, I cut myself again. I guess fuck. And we're gonna fix it. Yep. I think that fixed it. So basically now what we're gonna do is get the gist. I'm gonna cook some eggs, some beautiful eggs. Yep, I have my beautiful egg right here. Just crack it. Crack it. You thought it was an egg. This is just a fucking. Unless you don't fucking know what it is. I just bought it online. No. Got it. Oh shit. It's going everywhere. Fuck. Let's fix this. Shit, my phone. Sorry about that, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of ooze on it. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful egg. Oh no, come here, Salamander. Oh yeah. I'm jizzing in my pants. Oh fuck yeah. Oh yeah, there you go. Now, this is what I like to call a phone. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna rub that shit all in there. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fuck. Oh yeah. Just fuck him. Now we're just gonna put a little shade of water on it. Fuck the phone. There we go. It looks okay, not bad. Just dry it off. Had to wash off the. Definitely had to wash off that dirty porno. Oh damn it! Fuck yeah! All the porno's been erased, and look what we have now. That's how you turn on a clean, beautiful phone. See you later.